Hello viewers, today in this video I will show what is a slice and how to apply slicing. So slice is a substring of a string. So let us take the example. Suppose our string is Vardhan. Now if we want to access A, then we will write print s of 1, means value at index 1 of string. So A will be printed. Okay. In reverse manner, -1, -2, -3. Okay. So let's take example of -1. N will be printed. See, A and N. Now if we want to slice, if we want to take VARD, so we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3 and we will move to 3. So in this print we will write print S. We have to start from 0 and we have to move till index number 3rd. For moving index number 3rd and counting it, we have to write here 4. This 4 means till 4 but not including 4. So it will include index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. VARD will be printed. See, VARD is printed. Now takes further example. Six. If starting is not defined. If starting is not defined, then it will start from 0. So it will start from 0 and move towards 5. Now in next example, in this starting is defined but ending is not defined. So it will move from index 1 towards end. And one more example in which both starting and ending is not defined. So in this example, not starting is defined, not ending. Both is not defined. Okay. Now let's run this example. This we have seen. Okay, run. See. From 0 to 4. Vardhan 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 to 4. Starting 4 element will be printed. But index 4 will not be counted. 0 to starting is not defined, so it will start from 0 and it will move towards 6. So 6th element index will not be counted. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 to end, so it will start from A, index 1. And if both starting and ending is not defined, then we will write colon. So it is the working of slicing in positive index. Now let's work for negative index. S minus 6. Now make it comment. Oh. Now for negative index we will write print s minus 3 colon see what is the difference between both of these. S minus 6 colon minus 3. Now see for negative index S minus 1, this n will be printed. For S minus 6 index will be printed. Comma. Now let's see for negative index. For S minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. A will be printed. And this will start from minus 3. So it will start from H. Now let's run the code. See, minus 6 element is printed, which is A. Minus 1 is n. See, for positive we will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, and for negative we will start from minus. Okay. So minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 3 we will start from this and move towards end. And starting is not defined, but ending is minus 3. So starting is not defined, ending क्या है? Ending is minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Ending is H. So it will not include this H, and it will start from VARD. VARD. It is printed. Then starting is minus 6, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Starting is minus 6 and we are moving toward minus 3. Minus 3 is H. So H will not be counted. ARD. If you feel any problem, you can comment in the video. You can give your feedback also. Let's move for third option. Actually this indexing, this is having 3 parameters. So third parameter is called stride. What does it mean? Print S, start it will from 0 to 6, and stride means third argument. It refers to number of character to move forward. Number of character to move forward after first character is retrieved from string. See. Okay. If here we have given stride value is equal to 2, then we will start from 0, it will be executed, then 1 will be escaped, then 2, then 4, then 6 will not be counted. Okay. So it will move in this manner. Now let's run this code. See, print 0, it is starting from 0, 0, then second R, then H, and upper limit is 6, so it will not count 6 index. So 6 index is not counted. If we remove this, then 6 will also be counted. See, 6 is counted. Now if it doesn't define starting and ending, but difference here is 2, so actually it will skip one character. So run, it will print from starting till ending. See, V R H N. Okay. Now if we want to reverse a string, then what we will use? For reversing we will use this same syntax, but in the difference we will use -1. So -1 will mean we have to start from end and it will move in this manner. See, VARDHAN. See one more example. Its starting is from -1 and it is moving towards -6, and difference is of -2. See, -1, n will be printed, then difference of 1, h will be printed, then r will be printed, then v will not be printed.